really snowing. Like, it's snowing.
It's snowing.
Oh my God, and it's... Y'all, we are from Florida. So if you know, you know. I'm not trying to show the crib, but dang. Nuh-uh, don't. It's snowing. So y'all know it's, with it being the snow day in Atlanta, look at Zuri, like, the snow's been drying down, but Zuri is trying to make a what?
A snowman.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Come on, don't do it.
Y'all, if y'all see in the back of our subdivision, like, it's more snow back there. This is dope. This is dope. But the roads had to clear down. So, the road this morning was filled. It was definitely filled, but
Mommy.
now it's... She threw a snowball at me? Okay, wait. I'm going to throw this one and you throw yours. Ready? Go. You got to catch it.
Oh, I didn't know.
Come on. Throw it. My hands.
Hi.
Really? Hey.
Snowball fight? I'm going to go home. Okay. Oh, this is ice. This is not snow. The real snow was at, let me see, 8:30.
Yeah, we've seen all of it.
All right, peace.
Yeah, also, I think the footsteps are really dope. Look, but this is not mine, but look. Oh my gosh. And the trees, I can't see the trees down there, but the trees down there. But the trees look so pretty. Oh, look at the trees over there. Okay, y'all look at the bush. I'm trying to do too much without showing y'all my residence. But look at this. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. My fingers are freezing. Stop. Throw it. I'm gonna catch it. Whoa! Woo. Snow day in the 8. No more. Wait, come on this side. What are you doing? I'll see back here. Look at my stuff. But y'all, look. Y'all can't really see the trees for real. But it is so pretty. My hands are freezing right now. It's freezing. And I kind of like how this looks like this. Like, I don't want to step and mess it up. I do not want to step and mess it up. But this is adorable. This is the first time since we've been in Georgia where it's snowing. And the kids are over there playing in the snow. Like... Zuri's having a snowball fight with the neighbor.
I got him in the leg.
When I tell y'all I'm freezing, my hands are so cold right now. They feel numb. But Zuri is outside having fun because we're from Florida. We don't see snow. Like, this is something new to us, so I'm enjoying it too. And look how I'm looking. T. Trying not to show the other kids, but it's kind of hard. Oh my God, look at why they were snowman. It's so cute. So cute. So I'm walking. Oh, hold on. I always do this. All right, so I'm walking around the neighborhood. Zuri went running with her friends so they could go play in the snow. So, like I said, y'all, we are from Florida. So we're new to this. So I'm letting her have all the fun while I'm freezing. My hands are cold. But I want to show y'all like the trees and stuff too. But I was not expecting this. Like I seen they were saying all this. Oh, it's gonna snow. Make sure you do this, that, and the third. The grocery stores was crazy, and they meant it. Oh my God, the friend of the community. Look at the trees. Let me show y'all the trees. Hold on. Look at the trees. How gorge. How gorge. Look at that tree right there. Like literally. Oh, shit. It's cold, y'all. It looks. Look. I am intrigued. I love this. Look at Zuri. Come show the vlog.
Huh?
Show the vlog. What is it? Come up close. Ooh, what's that? Let me see. Y'all see her snow wall? Y'all almost bust my ass just now. Do y'all see that?
Snowball fight! Yes, big boy.
Oh my God. I can't believe that was so embarrassing. Write my name in the snow. Okay. And now it's starting to rain. We're about to go inside because I don't want nobody to get sick. But I think this is so dope that Zuri is able to experience this. You know, with us living here. I think that's lit. Y'all, not us coming inside to put water on our hands. Just like it was before that. We don't know what to do.
Y'all, the first time I went out there, my hands were numb. I mean, like N-U-M-N-M-M-M-M-B-B-B-B-B-B.
So
They were
you got a
numb.
hot cocoa ball.
Yeah, let's eat.
She could. Well, you know I don't drink this, but Zuri could have this. I'll have my ginger tea, and then there's this here, and then there's these. This is what I want. My ginger tea. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie though, that was dope. Like I liked it. It's cold though. It's really, really cold. So like all those states, like what is it, like New York, Canada,
Antarctica,
Iceland. Oh my God, I always keep pushing the zoom in, my bad. So like all those other states,
they're not like us.
I'm not. I'm barely a Georgia peach. Okay, because I'm from Florida. This cold.
I'm a Florida peach.
You're a Florida Iridian.
Florida peach.
Because you're both.
305.
But yeah, y'all. So we're doing a little quick vlog because we don't know if it's gonna be snowing tomorrow. They said all weekend we're supposed to have like a winter storm. So
I saw on the news or on my weather thing, it said sunny. It's the sun.
yeah.
Cause it looked like it's about to dry up cause of the rain.
But it might double back.
It's snow. It's air pollution.
Yeah, there is air pollution. But anyways, y'all. So I just wanted to tap in. We just wanted to tap in real quick for our little snow day, which is dope.
I'm gonna go back out there.
Yeah, we'll see. What?
Guys.
Come on, we'll close out the vlog. My hands are
okay.
freezing.
Okay, guys, when I was running, me and my friend both fell. We fell.
I fell too, y'all. No, I slipped.
You slipped.
I didn't fall.
When we found a stick.
Oh, it was too late now. But all right, y'all, I'm about to close out the vloggy vlog. So y'all know, make what?
What if we ended it with snow? That'd be kind of dope if we did though.
But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that you know when the next video drops. Peace out.
The next day.
What's up, y'all? It's your favorite duo, Big Silken.
And the life of people Z.
Yes, sir. And we are back with another one of them ones. All right, y'all. So it is the next day. We showed y'all yesterday it was a snow day in the A. If y'all didn't catch that content on Instagram, on social media about the snow day in Atlanta, please go follow ATL Scoop or just hashtag ATL Snow Day, because the content creators out here wasn't playing. And we was outside too. But we wasn't doing as big as them, but it's cool. But anyways, y'all, so with that being said, we told y'all we're from Florida. So driving in snow and doing all that extra stuff and ice and black ice and all that stuff, I'm actually kind of scared of a little bit. So the road is way much clear. I'll show you. I was supposed to show y'all now, but I'll show y'all when we get back, or even just outside. But so we're just gonna run 2 quick errands. How many, Zuri?
2.
And only how many, Zuri?
2.
Yeah, discipline.
And only how many, mommy?
Okay, I'm about to say that's discipline for me. 2. We're only going to 2 stores.
Not 5.
Correct. Okay, don't eat me up. Clock that.
Okay.
So are we just gonna go to Hobby Lobby because I gotta exchange something, and we are going to go to Target to try to get like some eggs and stuff, because y'all, the grocery stores here were insane. Like literally, they cleared it out. So I hope Target ain't on that type of timing, because we need some eggs, we need some more milk, like little things. Nothing. We don't need nothing too much because we already did our grocery shopping the day before the winter storm, so we're actually pretty good. But yeah, so if you're new, hey you, what it do? Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so that you know when our next video
drops. Peace out.
Peace out. We're going to the next clip, y'all.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you said to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. I'm trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really.
Whoa, whoa.
Mom here.
Y'all, so we made it.
2 times.
We made it to our, well, my favorite place, Hobby Lobby. We made it. Ooh, it smells like smoke. Somebody is smoking out here. Y'all, but as you can see, outside looks so pretty. It's giving like a Christmas movie. I like the snow decor. Wouldn't want to live nowhere cold, hence I live here, but it's not like this all the time. Yes, sir. See, my baby be looking for the sales. But yeah. So we made it here, and oh, I gotta tell y'all something. We're going to 3 stores. Zuri told me to make sure that I tell you guys. We're going to 3 stores, but let's go into this one most importantly. So we don't. It's so beautiful, y'all. I love Valentine's Day. So we're gonna make this really quick because we already know what we're doing, what we're getting. So.
Let me get
The quickest that I have ever been in and out of Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we're just gonna walk over to Ross. Got what I needed. It was there. Did our exchange. Zuri got some candy.
that I've been seeing trending on TikTok.
She's always seeing something trending. So yeah. So we're just about to go into Ross real quick, and then Target, and then we going home. Ross is Ross is in this season. This is cute. Y'all know y'all don't know, but I always love snow globes. That's cute. Yeah, let's see what they have though. Anything new that we don't have? This is cute. Nothing I need. It's not giving at all, guys. This is cute. Oh, this matches the thing that we got last time, remember?
Mm-hmm.
It's cute. But it's not giving. Ross is really dry this holiday season. Ooh. 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 Yeah. 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 Y'all know she like do that. Lean with it. Lean with it. Lean with it. It's like literally nothing. This should be $2. Christmas is done. It's $3.99. Close enough.
You said $2?
Yeah, Ross is really. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I was thinking to decorate my kitchen like Valentine's Day.
Yo, they costing you for your money. Tell me why this is $7, $6.99 to be exact.
But yeah, Ross is dry. Let's get up out of here. See, this is why I wasn't supposed to come here, but this is adorable. Look at this, Zuri. This is pretty. And
When you lay on it, it's gonna feel weird.
no, I know. It's just for decor.
Oh, then that's good.
It's the last album I'm about to look at, y'all. See. Why somebody.
Guys, just always remember, you got this.
And yeah.
Sigma, Sigma.
This is a cute mirror, but we don't need any mirrors. All right, we out of here for real this time. It's the kids. Oh, y'all, he almost bust his ass. Zuri said, I get on camera, I think I missed it. Because I was looking at the kids. Y'all, Zuri, be careful, don't walk in there. But y'all know we had to come to Target. Be careful. Hey, watch where you're going. You just saw him slip. All right, let's hope Target got at least some eggs. We gonna see. Something is wrong with you.
Shut up.
Wow. You is nuts. This is crazy. See, here goes your milk. No, it's not your milk.
Keely.
Oh, yeah, your milk's at the bottom.
Keely.
Get your milk all the way down there.
Kelly.
In and out once again. Oh. Y'all, that was me. I'm darn. This lady thought I was talking at her. Sorry. But yeah, so we're about to go home now. Hit our 3 stores. And, what?
I'm trying to say hi, but I can't see the camera.
And, look at the guy throwing snow. Look at that. Still throwing snow. Still throwing snow. But yeah, so I'm about to go home and close out this vlog.
Bye.
That's what I'm gonna do. We made it back home, y'all. Safe and sound. About to get back comfy. See, I got my bonnet on. My hair is wrapped up. I'm about to get under my robe and watch some YouTube. So, yeah, y'all. You seen the day 2 of our little snow day. So, we ain't having no storm today or tomorrow. So, it was really just Friday night. So, that's cool with me. But, yeah, y'all. So, like I said, I'm about to just go lay it down. Chill out for a little piece. And, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace out.